So this was one disease which is making your digestive fire low, and another problem which is responsible for making your digestive fire low is acidity problem. I know people are not paying more attention to acidity because acidity has now almost become a part of life. Like if you go in cities, every fourth person has acidity problems, and once they eat something spicy or little bit food with little bit spices, acidity happens. And then people say stop using spices. Spices are bad. But it is not true. If you take spices in a moderate quantities, in a limited way, according to our body type, then these spices are like tonics. They are like herbs that boost our immune system. But yes, we are not stopping eating burgers, we are not stopping alcohol, we are not stopping strong alcohols, but we say spices are bad. But actually this alcohol, this what we are drinking, which sometimes is very strong, and that is also responsible for acidities. I am not saying this thing like stop using alcohol, but if you are suffering from acidity, try not to use it, try to avoid or try to minimize the use of alcohol, because whenever some person has acidity, there are more chances that this acidity will get converted into ulcers. So next, another thing which you need to stop, and you must stop to avoid acidity, especially for those people who are having acidity problem and it is chronic acidity for 2-3 months you are feeling, rather than switching on to medicines, try to remove the cause, and one of the cause is tea and coffee. And so these two beverages, I know most of the people are liking it very much, but if you have acidity problems, try to avoid it for some times. And even if you want to drink, you can't live without tea or coffee, so drink 2 glasses of enough water before taking any kind of tea or coffee, and enhance the intake of juices during the day. Now you must be thinking how to drink juice, because it's winter these days and tea is must. So what you can do, you can heat juice little bit to lukewarm, so that it become lukewarm, and after that you can have it. No need like when I say to use juice, it should always be always be chilled cold and it is for summers. No, it's not like that. Or you can like whenever you take out juice from some fruit, you can use little bit of boiled water in it. You can mix a little water in it, so that the temperature of the juice will become little warmer. It will not remain very cold. So this way, if you cannot avoid tea and if you cannot avoid coffee, at least drink 2 glasses of juice during the day, so that your acidity problems will not be enhanced. And what kind of juices you can have? You can have orange juice. Best way is to eat fruit as it is with its fiber, but if some people don't like eating fruits with fiber, so they like juices because they don't have time to peel out fruits. So you can use juicer, but when you are taking out juice from some fruit, you can add little bit of lukewarm water into it or warm water into it, so the temperature of the juice will become warmer and you can enjoy juice even in winters. So these precautions if you are taking, I hope it will help you in overcoming your acidity. And these juices are not only beneficial for acidity, they are also beneficial for constipations. So I always recommend my patients, my people, like please try to have fruits in your diet, so that it will, half amount of your food will be raw, uncooked, and you can take nutrients in a best form. So this thing you can do. In addition to that, there are certain other things that you can do, like try to sleep on time, don't keep yourself awake at night for long, try to have your fruits in the morning. They are more beneficial, especially for acidity patients and constipation patients. Also, if you are having, if you are empty stomach, try not to have tea or coffee or alcohol, because it can cause more damage and it can cause constipation, it can cause acidity. So these are the small precautions that you can take and make your digestive fire better. At least it will be very helpful to overcome all these 2 diseases, And still, if you think there are more problems regarding this, then definitely always have a consultation with doctor, because at certain levels doctors knows best, because they are authorized to treat patients and they have gone through certain studies. So definitely they are more qualified to tell you what to do, what not to do. Rest is your choice of streams, which kind of doctor you want to go. If you want to go to medicine doctor, if they have knowledge about food, you can make use of that knowledge. Or if you want to go to Ayurveda doctor, their profession is all about lifestyle, diet. If there is someone whom you can approach, and if he or she is from the right source and having proper qualification, proper degree, there is no harm in consulting people who knows little better regarding diet, lifestyle and health. So it is very, very important whenever we are trying to have our meals, try to have conscious meals, so that nobody goes through the health issues that most of the people are going, and they don't know what to do about it. So I hope you will like this video. I tried in this video to share the main cause that lowers your digestive fire and invite the various chronic ailments, because if your digestive fire is good according to Ayurveda, that means your health will be very good. I hope you will not repeat those mistakes which I repeated in my childhood, because I was also very fascinated towards the modernism and discarding traditional ways of eating. So I paid the price for that, and I hope I'm making these videos so that you need not to pay the price for these choices which we make unconsciously. In addition to that, yoga, meditation is extremely helpful to make our mental balance better, and so I recommend please try to do Isha yoga, meditation, health, positive thoughts. It is very, very important. And as we try to eat healthy, it is very important that we try to have good food for our mind. So I hope you will like this video. That's all for today. If you have any question, you please write down to us. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed my channel yet, so there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. Hit the subscription button, click the bell icon, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can always click this join button and you can support us, and your support is really valuable and important for us. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family, so that we can spread this drop of health and well-being to everyone. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and with this note I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed and take care.